Guys, I finally got time to do a review on the light switch. So, here we go. So, pretty much every building has one of these. Unless your building doesn't have lights, it's not going to have one of these. So, this does the obvious stuff. But this light switch does it too. Future. This one's pretty noisy. Can I have to use a little bit of strength because this is a little bit sticky. And this turns on a light. It's pretty futuristic. I'm just gonna do this for about 30 seconds because I don't really have a life. So, that's my light switch video. It's gonna do this one. See? But let me show you my light switch. It's broken. So, when I get the time, I'm gonna fix it. But for now, I'm just gonna use it like this. It's probably a little dangerous because I get electrocuted if I stick my hand in that little hole. But hey, I'm not that stupid. Never gonna do something like that. This does something you expect. So, but let me show you a different light switch. I'll show you this one. This is pretty awesome. What am I doing with my life? So, this pretty much ends my video. As always, have a good time. And that's the end of my video.